How to turn on two-step verification for your Google account. Hello and welcome back to our YouTube channel, How to Tutorials. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can turn on two-step verification for your Google account. In order to add a security or two-step verification for your Google account, firstly open any web browser of your choice on your device. Here I have launched my Chrome browser. You may also open the Microsoft Edge or Firefox. Here, once you open the browser, now in the search bar type in myaccount.google.com. Once you have entered this URL, press on the enter key of your keyboard to search for it. And now within a while, you will be taken to your Google account page. Here, ensure that you are logged into your account. Once logged in, you will be taken to this interface. Here at the left side, you will be able to locate some options. Simply click on the security options, and once you are able to see the security section, you will need to scroll down, and under how you sign in to Google, there you'll be able to locate two-step verification on the top. Simply click on this option, and here you will be prompted to enter passcode or PIN in order to verify yourself. After entering one of these, it will start verifying you, and once after successful verification, you will be taken to this page. Now here it says to turn on two-step verification, you first need to add a second step to your Google account like a phone number. You may click on this turn on two-step verification button at the bottom. Here, if you have already added your phone number previously, then you'll be able to turn it on simply by following the previous step. But if you haven't added a phone number, then you will need to click on the add phone number button at the right side, and then you will need to add your phone number. Once after doing that, again you will need to tap on this turn on two-step verification, and then you will be able to turn on two-step verification to your Google account. Here, you may also scroll down to find other options apart from your phone number and password. You may also add passkeys, authenticator, or backup codes. So by following these steps, you should be able to turn on two-step verification for your Google account. You will also get an email confirmation to inform you that you have successfully turned on two-step verification for your Google account. I hope this tutorial was helpful. If yes, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Also hit that bell icon to never miss any updates from us. Thank you for watching.